Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Welcome home. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted with this beautiful open floor plan with cathedral ceiling and wood floors. The foyer leads to the large great room with a beautiful fireplace and flows into the open kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Lots of natural light shine into this eat-in kitchen/dining area, looking out over the private backyard and covered porch. This beautiful home has split bedrooms. The owner suite has a beautiful tray ceiling and an ensuite bath with his and her vanities, garden tub, separate shower, large closet and water closet. The second and third bedrooms are also large with walk-in closets. Outside you will find a private, landscaped fenced yard with sprinklers.